Seriously, right as I start filming, the landscapers start outside. Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. So there is some landscape work being done outside, so if you can hear that, I apologize, but you know, I'm too excited to open this box. I don't want to wait any longer. This is the Bombay and Cedar for June 2019, and this is what the outer packaging looks like. I always get excited when I see this box. So I get the premium box sent to me. There are two different sizes. I will leave the link and the pricing information and promo code down below. But if you do not know what Bombay and Cedar is, it's like a lifestyle box. It's like wellness, aromatherapy, a bunch of good stuff. It's one of my favorites to open. So yeah, before we get started on the unboxing, I just want to remind you all that I do have my 5,000 subscriber giveaway currently going on. So if you have not yet entered, I will leave the link below and definitely do so. It's one of my biggest giveaways yet. So let's get into this box. When I open it, this is what I see. It says hello. And there is a card here, so it looks, sorry, it's so loud outside, they're like right outside. So the June 2019 theme is Unwind. I like the sound of that. So inside this little pamphlet, there's like a little note for the month and then a little information on all of the items along with the pricing information. So the premium box value is $184 and the mini box value is $109. Both way greater than the price you pay, so it's always a great value. So let's get started. I see something on top that's like a little information packet. I'm guessing this goes along with something that's inside. So I'll just set this to the side for now, and everything else is underneath this tissue paper, so let me open it. Ooh, right on top there's a snack. You guys know I love getting snacks in my boxes. This is by Naked Snacks. This is maple praline almonds. This sounds so good. Oh my gosh, let's read about this. So they seem like they do include a snack every single month, so that is awesome. Love that touch. This is $2, and these crunchy nuggets are artisanally crafted in small batches using superior grade California almonds. It's not all indulgence though. Almonds also help to build and maintain strong bones. Awesome. These are like right up my alley. I love stuff like this, so that sounds so good. Next up, okay, so this must go with the Opulent Blends. This is Restroom Sanitizing Handcrafted Lavender Hand Sanitizer by Opulent Blends. And this is like a travel size. You can put this in your purse, which is super convenient. I like how they have the restroom sanitizer, like, you know, when you're out and about and you just need some extra cleansing. That is nice. And there's something else here. So this is like by Opulent Blends as well, and this is their sulfate free 100% natural handcrafted body wash in lavender spearmint. Oh my god, I love the scent of lavender and lavender spearmint. That sounds super refreshing and awesome. I like how the bottle on top came sealed to prevent any leakage. So let's learn more about that. I think this was just a little sample. They don't have any information about it, but they do have information on this. So this is $7, and it says this all-natural alternative to those petroleum fragrance synthetic products is an all-around better choice. This body wash infused with essential oils will leave you smelling great and your skin soft. I need to take a whiff of this. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my god, it smells so good. It definitely is a mixture of lavender and spearmint, but I'm getting more, well, actually it's pretty even. It smells really good. Smell-o-vision, where are you? I say that every time. I'm probably getting annoying, but it smells good. I'm happy to have this. Ooh, are these makeup wipes? Yes, I need more of these. I just ran out. So if you guys don't know, I recently went like cruelty-free, so I just finished my Neutrogena makeup removing wipes, and that was my go-to. So this is the Zia facial wipes. This removes makeup and impurities, and this says renewing brilliance, gentle cleansing with vitamin A moisturizers for a more radiant complexion. It's made with rosehip oil, and there are 30 pre-moistened towels in here. And I am so excited. So this is the packaging, which is super, super cute. So let's learn a little bit more about these. So these facial wipes are $5. That's not a bad price. It says Zia facial wipes work gently to cleanse and refresh. Natural oils like rosehip help to moisturize your skin to feel simply radiant. Awesome. I'm so excited to get these. I really needed them. Next up is something by Glow Skincare. It's in this box. No idea what it is. Let's see. Again, I'm sorry about the lawnmowers. Oh, cool. This is like a facial tool or something. It must be for a face. This is called skincare. This is a huge roller though. Let me get it out. This is so cool. This is like a stainless steel version of like the facial rollers we're seeing over lately. Like I have a jade roller and a rose quartz roller. I just dropped the pamphlet, 1 sec. I don't know why I say 1 sec, because I'm probably just going to edit the second I bent down. But anyways, this is the cold roller by Glow Skincare. It is $24. It says this stainless steel cold roller is used to help reduce the appearance of pores, puffiness, redness, and inflammation. Put in the fridge or freezer 20 minutes before using and use AM and PM. Awesome. I'm going to put this in the fridge after filming and try this later. I am so excited. Oh, it feels cold even without being in the freezer. Oh my gosh. That'll feel so nice. It's been so hot here in Florida. Oh my god. I have makeup on right now. I don't want to get too dirty, and I should probably clean it before using. But I am so excited to try this out. I love that it feels cold. And being in the fridge, that'll be so good. I get puffy eyes and puffy skin, especially if I don't sleep enough. So that will definitely come in handy. Next up we have something by Moon Infusions. This is the Calm Moon Relaxation Drops. It says it's natural, functional, experiential. Natural relaxation supplement that works quickly to reduce stress, enhance mood, and boost cognitive function. This is really large. So, relaxation drops. How do you use them? Oh, so you do ingest it. You add 3 drops to 8 ounces of cool water and enjoy. And there are 30 servings per bottle. Let's get this out. It looks like it'd be even more than that, but I'm guessing you put like full dropperfuls in. So I'm excited to try this out. Have you guys tried anything like this before? I'm so curious. I've never tried anything like it. So it says, whoa, this is $50. That's crazy. Relaxation drops by Moon Infusions, $15. These all-natural relaxation drops are infused with botanical, scientifically known for their stress-reducing, mood-enhancing, and performance-boosting properties. $50. I hope this works well. That's expensive. It looks like there's some vitamin C in this as well, and like organic green tea, L-theanine, passion fruit or passion flower extract, chamomile flower, scalicium. I don't know. Yeah, definitely let me know your experience with this if you've tried it. Oh, is this a planter thing? I love stuff like this. This is Wild and Feathered DIY plant hanger kit. Oh my god, I think I just got a plant hanger in the mail actually, but I can hang them up in multiple places. If you guys have been following me, you know my cats like attack my plants all the time, so a hanging plant is perfect for me. It says, how does it work? Inside this box, you'll find everything you need to create your own plant hanger. You don't need to have any experience knotting. I will guide you through it all. The easy, not quick. The easy peasy, not quick. I hope you will have a lot of fun creating and learning. Let's get started. This is so cool. I'm so excited to do this. I've recently gotten into plants and stuff, so this is awesome. Where is this on here? So this is $46. Wow, the DIY macrame plant hanger by Wild and Feather. This DIY consists of patterns, illustrations, and designs that are carefully made with the purpose of teaching you 4 of the most popular knots for macrame. I feel like someone recently told me this word, macrame. Is that it? Because I recently got a purse in my box of style and someone corrected me, so I could be saying that wrong, but I am so excited about this. I'll post photos on Instagram or something whenever I am done doing it. I am so pumped. Next up, oh yeah, this is so cute. This is by Mad Dana. This is like a hair wrap. Let me get it out of the plastic so I can show you guys, because I know it's reflective if I don't do that. The 10-in-1 Mad Dana by Mad Style, and this is $9. Isn't this so cute? And it shows some ways you can wear it on top. It says there's a multiple use multi-style fashion band that can change your look in an instant. Change your style with ease with one beautiful, inexpensive fashion piece. You'll fall in love with the simplicity of use and the versatile of the Mad Dana. It is perfect accessory for every fashionista. The cool fabric allows for comfort and fun colors, and patterns will show your individual style. Oh my god, I'm gonna like put this on later for my next video. I'm going to the doctor after I'm filming, but I want to film when I get back because I am way behind on boxes. But let me take this out. This is so cute, and this is perfect for summertime because I like just want my hair on my face. It's so hot here. I am so excited, and I have to learn the 10 ways you do this. Did I say that already? This is $9, and there are numerous patterns. The one I got, I'm very happy with. These are definitely like my type of colors. I'm loving the blue in it. That'll go with most things I wear. So this is awesome, you guys. This is like one of my favorite boxes. I feel like I say that all the time, but it really is. So every month we do get 2 essential oil blends made by them, made by Bombay and Cedar, and they come in this bag. And these are the last items this month. So let's see what we got. All right, the first one is Mood Boosting Petit Grain. I could be saying that incorrectly, which I probably am. I feel like I say that in every video. I can't pronounce anything. Petit Grain. Someone will correct me. This is $17. It says this oil is not only uplifting but also calming and balancing. It's beneficial to reduce anxiety, calm the muscular system, improve mental clarity, and much more. I don't know what this smells like, so I'm guessing it smells good if it's mood lifting, right? Like, it's got to. Oh, it does smell good. I can't really describe it, but I like it. Ooh, next up is a blend. I love blends. This is the Dream Pure Essential Oil Blend. And this is $24. It says an excellent blend to help individuals who wish to relax and calm themselves. Extremely soothing. This oil can be diffused for a restful night or massaged into the temples for relaxation. I bet this smells like lavender, and let's see what oil is in it. Yeah, lavender, maraham oil, all these things I can't say, but lavender is the first listed ingredient. This smells so good. I cannot wait to use my new oils and use everything in this box. Overall, this is like my favorite box because I will actually use everything. Like, some boxes like everything I really like, but I don't like reach for it all the time. Like, these are things I'm super pumped about. Like, I can't wait to do this little project. Oh my god, you guys know like I love plants and stuff. And I actually really needed facial wipes, so this is perfect. The face roller is really unique. I feel like every other box is giving me like jade rollers, so I'm so glad to get something different. And the cooling factor of it, awesome. And I am so intrigued by these calming drops. I have no idea how those will work, but hopefully they work well. The body wash definitely needed, and it smells really good. Essential oils smell good. This is so cute. You'll probably see it on my head very soon. But yeah, I am very, very happy with this box. So again, I will leave all of the information down below. Oh, I almost forgot to mention the snack. This seems awesome. Totally gonna like put that in my bag to have later on my way home, so I don't like stop and get fast food or anything. I'm really trying to be healthy, you guys. But yeah, I love this box so much. So yeah, all the information will be linked down below along with my giveaway link. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. Sorry for the lawn noises. Hopefully when I'm like editing, I don't really hear it, but if it's overpowering, but if you can hear it in the background, it happens every Thursday here. So yeah, anyways, I'm gonna stop blabbering and let you guys go. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.